Hi guys, my name's Austin, and I'm Austin Dufour, and this is for my ropes project. I was very interested in electronics, so I'm gonna do an electric bike and convert my dad's mountain bike into an electric one. Okay, something's just arrived right now. I just heard a door knock. I think it's the packages. I'm gonna go check. Oh, it is. It's here. This is the battery charger for the batteries. So you're gonna need a hub motor for your bike. Well, I did on the front, but you can do front, back, or hub motor. This is assist pedal, which this one's gonna be using a throttle to make it run. Which these batteries, well, the front's a lot easier to do compared to have to take off your gear and doing a lot more. Because you're gonna have to take off the gear motor, well, like just not the motor, but like the gears and all that stuff. Okay, we got huge batteries. Okay, so we finally opened up all the packaging, which is a lot. Like they did it really hard, and we got all the batteries. So they're right here. They're all 12-volt batteries, and they're pretty heavy. Oh gosh. Then we got the charger. So this can charge up to all these batteries at once, which is pretty cool. Then we got these clips. So clip, clip, clip. And then I got this voltage tester. So I can test how much volts we're going to get off the battery. So if I go take off the caps, which right there, right here, power it on. Then we match black with black, red with red. For positive and negative, red is plus, black is minus. Get 13 volts if you look on the voltage meter on the bottom. See right there? 13. So if you go check your car with one of these, it will show 13 because it's running off a 12-volt battery that's in your car. Batteries. So we're gonna tether them up. They're up like this way. So it's voltage plus voltage plus voltage plus voltage. So that means 12 plus 12 is 24. Then 24 plus 24 is 48. Okay, so I'm gonna try to fit this. It's highly unlikely, so I'm probably gonna have to go buy a stand for this. Go. Well, we were trying to put them in, but we clearly had no idea how big these are compared to lithium batteries. So they're not gonna fit. Hi, okay, I'm gonna show you how to strip wire real quick for my bike to connect the batteries together. So what we're gonna do is do this to the end. So we're gonna have to strip it. Then I got one of these to put the connector to the battery. So just need to go find number 14, which is right here. Get to the spot I want to crimp it to, right there, and then turn it. So I cut the whole wire, strip around, and then just yank it out. There we go, got it out. Okay, now we need to get one of these, put it in. Well, first real quick, just turn this down, go. It's not. Okay, I just wired everything up to the motor. You can see right there. Here's the charge controller, the batteries, they're all good. So if I go click on here, the light should come on. First try. If I spin it, woohoo! Oh my gosh, that goes fast. Just click it, it turns off. Yo, how did it go so fast? And look, there's we're having a little problem with the brake because we just hooked it up to the back wheel. Originally you're gonna put it on the front wheel, but it just came with the back, so we just put it on the back. But on the back, there's like the brakes holding it, so it's really hard to pull. And you can see the marks on the rubber, so I'm not going to do it anymore. Because it's burning the rubber, but that's pretty fast. And then you can see right here, I hooked up the wires to right there. Pretty dope. Okay, so I have these 4 batteries that we're going to turn into a 48-volt battery. So what we need to do is put saran wrap around it so it's waterproof, and then we're going to put duct tape around it too, so it's like all stands together. And then we made these wires to connect them, each battery together, simply by just cramping them.
Yep.
Okay, now we just add this tape. Yeah.
Go on. Turn around and do it again.